To get to the online textbook, the best bet is to go through the hcps.org website. When you come to this website, you'll just X out of that important information there if you've already read it, and you are going to go to the Students section of the banner. When you click on Students, this drop-down menu appears, and you're going to navigate to Resources for Students. In the Resources for Students page, things are laid out here in subheaders, and you will go down to the Other section. There's a couple of good things here for you. If you haven't downloaded the Office 365 program, that's excellent, but let's focus on the textbook. You'll click the Holt Online Sign-In. That will take you to our textbook. When you click this, it will likely take you to a sign-in page, and that sign-in page is your username, which is your student email address, your first name, last name, @student.hcps.org, and then the same password that you use to log into your email and to your school account. When I click on this, my information has been saved, but you're going to be redirected here after you put in your password to a page that looks like this. Mine is a little bit different than yours because I have the teacher resources, but you want to make sure that you're in the National Collections, grade 10. You can access that from the drop-down menu here. This will only show up with multiple options if you have multiple students in the house, and then you can click on your student ebook. To navigate through the student ebook, you have the contents page over here, which will give you titles. But if you hover over this box, as soon as my page finishes loading, you'll be able to put in direct page numbers. I hope this helps all my students and families. Be well.